This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create an opportunity in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to manage opportunities effectively is crucial for tracking potential sales and growing your business. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Salesforce and direct your attention to the navigation bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find various tabs that are essential for managing different aspects of your sales process. Among these, locate the tab labeled Opportunities. Clicking on this tab will take you to the main page where all your current opportunities are listed. This page serves as your hub for managing the various deals you're working on. It's organized to help you quickly access important information and keep track of your sales pipeline. Once you're on the Opportunities page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Clicking this button is your first step in creating a new opportunity. This action will open up a new window or form where you'll provide all the necessary details for the opportunity you're creating. Now, let's talk about filling in the key details. This part is crucial because the information you enter here will help your team understand the opportunity's scope and potential. Begin by entering the opportunity name. This should be something descriptive that helps you and your team quickly identify what this opportunity is about. Next, you'll need to select the account associated with this opportunity. If you're dealing with a specific client or company, make sure to link the opportunity to the correct account to ensure all information is organized and easily accessible. You'll also want to set the close date. This is an important field as it indicates when you expect the deal to finalize. Be realistic and choose a date that aligns with your sales cycle. Another key field is the stage of the opportunity. Salesforce provides several predefined stages that reflect the progress of your deal, from initial contact to finalizing the sale. Selecting the correct stage helps in tracking where each opportunity stands and allows for more accurate sales forecasting. Don't forget to enter the amount. This is the potential value of the deal and is essential for financial forecasting. If applicable, you can include the probability percentage, which estimates the likelihood of closing the deal. This can be particularly useful for prioritizing opportunities and allocating resources effectively. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, take a moment to review the information for accuracy. Ensuring everything is correct before saving can prevent future confusion and keep your sales process running smoothly. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details, go ahead and click the Save button. This action will officially create the opportunity in Salesforce and add it to your list on the Opportunities page. From here, you can continue to track and update the opportunity as it progresses through your sales pipeline. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to creating an opportunity in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your sales process and keep your team aligned on your business goals. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay organized and proactive with your opportunities in Salesforce.